All right, this is a good one to examine a little bit of algebra here. It says first write the converse of each statement and then identify the truth value and provide a counterexample if it's false. So let's do that, okay? Um, if, if this, then this, okay? The converse of it means switch their position. So we would say then if the conclusion of the original, then the hypothesis of the original. Okay? And you're basically saying if the absolute value of x is 6, then x was equal to or is equal to -6. Well, no, hope you can know this, that is false because x equals 6 also has an absolute value of 6, right? Both 6 and -6 results in 6 when you take their absolute value. Yeah? Okay. So the converse of that is false. Let's do the same thing for number 37. If the conclusion here, x cubed is less than 0, then the original hypothesis, x is less than 0. Okay, well, let's examine that. Interesting thing about when you cube a number um, is that whatever sign it was, it will stay that sign. Okay, the reason for that, if we can, I can take a couple of numbers and just kind of examine them briefly here. If you said, let's say the number was -2, okay, then cubing it would give you -2 times -2 is +4, and then times another -2 to cube it is -8, okay? So you get the same sign. And if it's positive, it's the same thing, okay? Positive times positive times positive equals positive. So if x cubed is less than 0, then and numbers that are less than 0 are negative. Let's just make that clear, okay? So if x cubed equals 0, you're essentially saying you're dealing with a negative number. X cubed is a negative number. Then the original x value must have been a negative number as well. And that's true. That's true. I certainly can't think of a counterexample for that because I know how cubing negative numbers works. You still get the negative of it, or you still get a negative number. So does that make sense? Hope that helps.